Hello my alien students, welcome back. This is part 3 of the story. I have created the same thing. You will see that my names are also as mentioned by the architect. Okay, let me show you how we move forward from here. Okay, so there were some couple of questions in part 2. A couple of questions in part 2. I want you to answer them. I'm not going to repeat the questions again. Okay, anyhow, so my aim now is to get level 2 and roof in my project browser. Okay, this is the question now, new question. How do I get it? How do I get it? Actually, this is kind of an answer of some of my questions I've asked earlier, but I want you to use your brain. It's not just John tells everything and then you. It's good. I don't mind, but I think if you have something in the head, right? Use it. Okay, so how do we do it? Go to view, go to plan view, reflected ceiling, and we needed which two? We wanted level 1 is already there, so you don't see it in the list because it is checked. If I check it, you will see level 1. Where is level 1? Here it is. Okay, uncheck goes. Okay, I need level 2 and roof. So level 2 and roof. Flow type, edit type, electrical plan looks fine. Under subdiscipline, power, beautiful. Basboosa. Okay, click OK and say welcome. Okay, you see them here. Okay, level 1 and level 2. I hope this is clear so far and we can see it's available. Okay, good, excellent. Okay, what we'll do in the next class or something, we will add fixtures. We keep adding fixtures to this, and we keep adding and making this project a beautiful project. Okay, not beautiful, a meaningful project. We learn lots in this, a lot of scheduling and designing, modeling, and whatever. So it's a kind of a class for those students who would like to become an alien in electrical designing and modeling. Okay, so yeah, that's the story. Anyway, we see each other in part 4, where we start doing the real stuff. Okay, then take care and let's keep moving forward. Bye.